Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm teaching you how to open Non-Arabs application and answer your homework from Non-Arabs from Google Chrome. And when you click Non-Arabs, all the options come by Arabic. For the first time, you need to change it by English from this here EN. When you click it, all the options come by English. You start to click Student Login. From Student Login, you can see your name and there is Ben. Here you have B and B plus. This is your level. You need to do it after if you want to increase your level. Here, when you click the bell, this pen, you will see homeworks. You have here homeworks. You need to first go to the tasks. When you click tasks, this is the lesson. You need to read it. And the first you have vocabulary. You need to read all here or instruction coming by Arabic and English because your level is small age. You need to some help you. Here you see the word and meaning and record. First you need to read. After this, listen again for record if you read correct or wrong. So many words here. After this you have video. This video have a sentence and some vocabulary. After finish, you have here he tests you as you need to read this sentence. Like what you do, you will click for this record and you read this sentence by low voice. Like I will record now. ألعب مع أختي خارج المنزل. Now finish, you click here. Okay, if you don't like, you can delete it and record again. This record go direct for a teacher. From here, you need to read and write 2 sentences. Okay, you need to write a sentence, but you don't have Arabic keyboard. What you will do? Here you can see small keyboard. If you click this keyboard, it's coming as Arabic. Here have about write 3 things in your home about 3 things in your home. Okay, I will write sitara. Okay, sitara. It's come. The word come inside the box. I put space. All option here you have, or you want choose from your computer, like what you need to write by your hand in notebook and take screenshot. From screenshot you can, or from your download you can choose file with whatever where you put, you can take it and download here. After finish, you click again for this keyboard to can go. After this you have save. You need to save whatever you done. Okay, here tell you teacher will see it 100%. After finish, okay, go to assignment. After finish, you need to go assignment, or if you want to learn again, you will go back to learn. Assignment, it will be 10 minutes only. For this, you need to start answer. All option also have English and Arabic. You will read it in English and Arabic. If you don't know Arabic, this English to help you for the meaning. Like kaifa, how, it's correct or wrong. Just you click it and go for next. Next, you have here 15. You need to done one by one. You want to go skip one and go back, but must you finish all to take your certificate. Okay, I hope this is clear. Again, if we go here, we need to finish here till you completed, but here task is still not, test is still not complete because I not finish it. When finish it, you come one certificate for you. Okay, I hope all you understand. If anyone have any doubt, please return back to me. Bye.